Hello, I'm going to show you a new effect that I've created. It's inspired by Peter Kane effect called Four Flusher. I call this 5-card Monte. Still coming up with a better name, but this is the idea of it. What I'm going to do is take out a poker hand, okay, and I have one card here, which is the 10 of hearts, red card, and I have some spades. I have a flush of spades. So there's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 spades. Now the heart wants to be like the spades. He's the odd man out. He doesn't want to be the only different one, the only oddball. So he's magic, and he changes into a spade, making a perfect spades. But the problem is, these, life is constantly full of change, and they change into flush of hearts. And so he's still the odd man out, right? So what we'll do here is an effect with the, it's called 5-card Monte, like I said, and this is the effect here. And what we're going to do is show you these cards, put them in order here, so that you can see we have, we'll count here, there's a 7 of hearts, okay, 8 of hearts, 9, and a 10 to be exact. 10 of hearts, right? Now, what happens is when you're playing cards, you can actually, I'm going to give the cards some cuts here, and we'll give it a little shuffle. And what we'll do here is we will give us some cuts. We'll deal out some cards, okay? So like a poker hand. And the thing is about it is you never know what you're going to get. So in this case, maybe you want to discard 4 cards, right? So you probably want to keep the king. And you'll see if you get a good hand. See, there's not much of a hand here. But in 5-card Monte, you have to try and find the 10 of spades. So I put the 10 of spades in the middle, and you can guess where it is, right? Let's say you said it was in the middle, right? You'd be wrong actually, because it's on top. See, so there's 1, there's 2, there's 3 10s. So I'm actually cheating. I'm using 5 10s. So to be exact here, let's count. There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5 10s. Now that's not a very good hand, right? But if you use magic, I can get a royal flush, just like that, a royal flush. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that's all well and good for the magician, but I don't want you to feel bad. So here's what I'll do. I'll take these cards. They're not a very good hand. It's 5, 10, 3, and 2 and stuff. So basically, it's nothing hand, right? So because I want you to get a good hand, I use magic, and we'll have 2 royal flushes, just like that. So we have 10, Jack, Queen, King, Ace. Thank you. Hope you like that.